Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Sheets API to a React dashboard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Google Sheets API to a React dashboard, start by creating a new project in Google Cloud Console. Go to console.cloud.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click on the drop-down menu at the top and select New Project. Name your project and click Create. Once created, navigate to the API and Services section in the left sidebar. Click on Library to search for the Google Sheets API. Type Google Sheets API in the search bar and select it from the results. Click Enable to activate the API for your project. Next, go to Credentials in the left sidebar. Click on Create Credentials and choose Service Account. Fill out the required fields, such as the service account name, and click Create. Skip the optional fields, scroll down to the Keys section and click on Add Key. Select JSON and a JSON file will be downloaded to your computer. Next, open your Google Sheet and share it with the email address from the JSON file under the service account details. This allows your application to access the sheet data. Now, let's set up your React app. If you haven't created a React app yet, use the command npx create react app your app name in your terminal. Navigate into your app folder using cd your app name. Install the Axios library for making HTTP requests by running npm install Axios. Create a new folder named API within the src directory. Inside the API folder, create a new file called googlesheets.js. Next, set up a base URL for the Google Sheets API. Add the following variable, const_sheet_id equals your_sheet_id. Replace your _sheet_id with your actual Google Sheet ID. Now, define a function to fetch data from your Google Sheet. Write export const fetch data equals async equals, followed by your API endpoint code. Make sure to include your service account key for authorization. To do this, you'll need to read the JSON file you downloaded earlier. In your app.js, import the fetchData function. Use the useEffect hook to call fetchData when the component mounts. Store the fetched data in a state variable using the useState hook. Finally, render the data in your component using a map function to display it in a table or list format. Test your application by running npm start. You should now see your Google Sheets data displayed on your React dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.